Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today we're diving deep into the mysterious world of the 10 euro cent coin from 2002. By the end of this video, you'll know why this coin is worth so much and how to check if you have one in your pocket or collection. Could this tiny coin, a simple 10 euro cent from 2002, really be worth an eye-watering $12 million? Yes, you heard it right. But why? What's so special about this coin that makes collectors go wild and pay millions for it? Country Germany. European Union, Euro. 2002. 2024 currency Euro coin type circulation coins denomination 10 euro cent currency rate 0 euros and 10 cents equals 0.11 USD 2002 composition Nordic gold edge type fine scallop shape round alignment metal 0 degrees weight G 4.1 diameter 19.75 thickness 1.93. Let's start with a little history. The euro was introduced in 2002 as the official currency of the Eurozone, replacing many national currencies. The 10 euro cent coin is one of the most widely circulated coins, known for its distinct golden color and durable Nordic gold alloy composition. The design features a map of Europe, the 12 stars symbolizing unity, and intricate engravings that make it stand out. But did you know that some 10 euro cent coins minted in 2002 have something special that makes them worth millions? It all comes down to rare minting errors, limited production runs, and unique features that we'll uncover in this video. Alright, let's answer the big question. What makes a 2002 10 euro cent coin worth $12 million? First, rarity is key. A small batch of these coins, minted in Monaco and Finland, contained production errors that were never corrected. These coins had unique features like misaligned engravings, double die errors, or unusual metallic compositions that in 2019. One of these coins was sold for an astonishing $12 million. Imagine finding something like this hidden in your change jar. Cut to a slide listing factors contributing to the coin's value. Point 1. Minting errors. Examples include missing stars or over-engraving. Point 2. Limited mintage. Coins from Monaco or Finland are extremely rare. Point 3. Collector demand. High demand drives up the price. Collectors love these coins because of their story and rarity. Owning one is like owning a piece of history. Now comes the fun part. How do you know if you own one of these rare coins? Let me show you step by step. Step 1. Look for the mint mark. You can find it near the edge of the coin. If it's from Monaco or Finland, pay close attention. Step 2. Check for errors. Use a magnifying glass to inspect the stars, engravings, and edges. Step 3. Weigh the coin. Some rare versions were minted using slightly different alloys, leading to a weight variation. And remember, even if your coin isn't worth millions, it could still be valuable if it has unique features or is in pristine condition. Always consult an expert or use professional grading services for verification. Let me share some amazing stories of people who struck gold. Literally, with these coins. Point 1. Collector in Germany found a rare 10 euro cent coin in a pile of loose change. Another lucky individual discovered their treasure while cleaning out an old wallet. These stories remind us that rare coins can appear anywhere. Here's a pro tip for all collectors. Always keep an eye out for unusual coins in your daily transactions. You never know when you'll come across a hidden gem. So, there you have it. The story of the 10 euro cent coin from 2002 and why it's valued at a staggering $12 million. Do you have one of these coins? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coinsy Collection.